Hey guys, I was just about to install a phone grip to my wife's new S8 phone case, so I decided to make a quick video. So for every phone that we have in our house, we install one of these onto the case. It's an elastic phone grip, and as you can see from the illustrations on the back, it allows you to handle your phone single-handedly, simply by sliding in your fingers into the elastic band. You can see I think I bought 10 of each color, black and white. So as you can see, you simply slide your fingers in, and you can handle relatively easily these large phones that we have today. So let's get started. I'm going to try to install to my wife's new S8 case in the exact position where her old case had this elastic grip, since she has found out that it's the right position for it. So these are very useful. It's the only reason why my wife was able to upgrade to a very big phone compared to her old S4 mini. Now I'm going to peel off the tape, and just to remind you guys, it's made with 3M tape, so it's solid stuff, even if it literally cost me cents from China when I bought a package of 20. So all you need to do is look for the position you want the grip to be on your phone and push it down, and it's done. It should be able to grip onto most surfaces, including glass, leather, and metal. So that's done. The installation is done. Only thing I have to say is that after some time, they usually peel, the elastic comes out of its holder. And so what you do is you simply pull up the elastic and try to push back the slack into the hole with some hot glue already present inside, or some tape. Some super glue, and that should help you get it resolved and much more permanently stuck. So you can see how easy it is to control these type of long aspect ratio phones simply by having something to grip your fingers into. It also prevents you from dropping your phone while using it on the go. The measurement I'm going to put on screen now, it's about 6.5 centimeters by 2 centimeters. I'm going to put them now on screen. And you can buy these from eBay or AliExpress from China. So this is an old S4 mini, and she was very scared. She was not going to be able to use these new long phones. You can see how small it is compared to the S8. But with this phone grip, that problem was completely solved, and she had a very smooth transition. I hope this video helped give you an idea of how to hold your phone in place if you are currently having such problems with these long new phones. Thanks for watching. Take care.